Risk assessment for fabrication of GRE piping, chilled water pipe.
In this video I am splitting the A3 paper for the convenience of the viewers.
Hot works, use of hand and power tools, welding, cutting, grinding, drilling, threading, support and power tools operations. Hazard. Non-compliance to permit to work PTW system. Untrained personnel and/or incompetent. Lack of communication. Unskilled employees handling power tools. Fire, burn, cut, abrasion. Rupture of abrasive wheels. Electrocution. Use of damaged, wrong hand or power tools. Pinch point. Bodily injury. Ergonomics manual handling. Defective tools, equipment. Exposure to ultraviolet, UV, infrared, I.R, rays. Dust, fumes generated. Slips of tools, flying particles. Laceration. Eye injury. Excessive noise. Arcing of electricity. Use of damaged, wrong hand or power tools. Faulty power tools. Eye contact. Insufficient illumination. Improper disposal of waste, for example welding butts and others. Safety precautions. 1. Prior to work commence, valid work permit shall be obtained. All work which is conducted in LNGI shall comply with permit to work. 2. Approved method statement and risk assessment shall be in place. 3. Before starting activity, TBT, TSTI shall be conducted to identify and understand hazards and control measures. 4. Wear approved mandatory PPEs with appropriate ones, safety goggles, gumboots, disposable coveralls, rubber gloves, earplugs. 5. Prior to work commence, all involved personnel shall undergo required training courses in accordance with HSE training plan and training matrix. Always ensure only skilled, trained, experienced personnel shall use handle and power tools. EPC contractor shall ensure that only competent and trained workers are allowed to work. 6. ELCB rated 30 mA system in place for electrical power source. Electric tools should not be used in damp or wet locations. 7. Shall strictly comply with safe work practices for hot works. Before doing hot work activities, ensure that all combustible materials are removed from the work premises, 15 meters radius. Use fire retardant fire blanket booth for contain all sparks. Sufficient number of inspected certified fire extinguisher to be provided. 8. All manual handling works shall comply with manual handling procedure. HEC approved fire watcher to be deployed at site for all hot works. 9. Welding machine and power tools should have a valid inspection sticker and color-coded. 10. The RPM of the cutting or grinding wheel shall be higher than the RPM of the machine. Always check for the appropriate current rating. Cables, sockets, splitters should have more current rating than the power source to avoid current overload. Ensure that all tools are fitted with the manufacturer-supplied handles and guards. 11. The insulation of welding cables, electrode holders, plugs and sockets shall be regularly inspected for visible damage and loose terminal to prevent electric shock, electrocution and fire. Damaged cables and defective appliances should not be used. Standard braided type cable and approved industrial plug sockets shall be used. 12. Never use tools with malfunctioning parts or switch. Remove it from service and repair or discard if not repairable. Remove portable electric tools from the workplace if they are damaged, and attach a do not use tag. Ensure the thermos weld equipment, mold, torch are free from defects. Ensure that mold is always clean and free of moisture. Check for the correctness of welding powder. 13. All portable power tools shall be equipped with spring-loaded switch, dead man switch, which will actuate only when pressed. The switch shall be free from any locking arrangement. Disconnect power tools prior to servicing and changing of accessories such as blades, bits and cutters. 14. Be aware of pinch points created by objects that move and come into direct contact with relatively fixed objects. All possible chances of pinch point hazards shall be communicated to the workers. 15. Establishment of management system for circular saw with log register. Inspection date, company and etc., working platform. Workbench shall be provided. Implementation of weekly theme audit for circular power tools, grinder, saw, cutter and etc., which contain cutting hazard. Assign proper supervisor who can communicate workers without language barrier. Monthly on-site training especially for workers using circular power tools. Issue alert of keeping body parts out of the line of fire. Include incident case in induction training. 16. Supervisor shall ensure that work activities are carried out by competent and trained person. All involved persons shall undergo required training. 17. Expired and damaged grinding. Cutting wheels shall not be used for any grinding. Cutting works. Barricades shall be provided to ensure workers in the nearby area being kept away and safer distance from hot work. 18. Provide proper illumination in accordance with HKDC procedure. 80. 120 lux. Within the proximity of the working area. 19. Aprons shall be used to protect operators and clothing from hot metal and slag that is generated while welding, grinding or using a cutting torch. 20. Shall use hearing protection to prevent noise-induced hearing loss. Hearing protection includes earplugs and earmuffs that are designed to reduce the intensity or loudness of sound. No smoking signage shall be displayed on cylinder storage and to be strictly implemented. 21. Shall use radiation filtering welding glasses to protect from optical radiation produced by the welding, such as the intense ultraviolet light produced by an electric arc. 22. Cylinders shall be protected from unauthorized use or operation while user is out of sight. Always close the cylinder's valve when not in use. Do's and don'ts to be generated for such and to be briefed among workforce. Use appropriate and approved lighter to ignite the flame. 23. Proper ground and earth connection shall be provided for welding machine and equipment. Material being welded. 24. Remove all chuck keys before operating drill machine. Do not support the workpiece by hand. Use a holding device to prevent the workpiece from being grabbed from the operator's hand drill machine. Shall never clean away chips with your hand. Use a brush and keep all loose clothing away from turning tools. 25. Ease up on the feed as the drill breaks through the work to avoid damaged tools or workplaces and keep all guards in place while operating. 26. Avoid loose clothing and protect the eyes using eye protection when operating drill machines. 27. Ensure operators' hands and body parts are kept clear of moving parts during operation and maintenance of drilling machine. 28. Shall maintain red emergency stop button in good working order and ensure it is checked regularly as part of the maintenance schedule. 29. A proper platform shall be arranged for the safe working while executing work and with sufficient illumination. 30. All manual handling works shall comply 9 manual handling procedure. Approved and latest MSDS shall be available on site. 31. Dispose chemical waste in a designated area, label as hazardous waste storage area. 32. All hazardous waste generated such as used welding rods and grinding, cutting wheels shall be collected in proper bins and shall be disposed as per KEPIC Waste Manifest procedure. 33. Proper housekeeping shall be provided. GRE lamination work. Hazard. Chemical exposure during lamination work. Mixing of the lamination materials. Improper storing of lamination materials. Smoking in the lamination section. Skin irritation while using chemicals during lamination. Safety precautions. 1. Good housekeeping. 2. Removal of combustible materials. 3. Use hard cotton gloves, polythene glove and appropriate disposal coverall. 4. Use appropriate dust mask 3M8710, for laminators. 5. Ensure proper ventilation be provided. 6. Wear suitable PPE. 7. Workers should know the information about the lamination chemical through MSDS. 8. Provide suitable warning signs. 9. For accidental spills, absorb with vermiculate or other inert material, in emergency kit, then place in a container for chemical waste. Clean surface thoroughly to remove residual contamination. 10. No smoking, open flame, exposed heating elements, or other sources of ignition of any kind shall not be permitted in area or rooms where lamination is on progress. 11. Designated smoking area should be assigned. 13. Wear safety glasses with side shields.
Please give comment and suggestions.
Thank you.
Subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank for visit our channel. See you next class.
Thank you.